welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another new release video. We have not done one of these in a while because I've just not been on my A game with my sticker shop. To be honest, the holidays just really it was just a lot. You guys know. I think the holidays were insane for everyone. So anyway, we are hopping right back in. We're getting back to it. And we are starting out with the April monthly kits and an Easter kit. So there's not a ton of new releases, but we are getting back into the swing of things. So let's just go ahead and see what we have in the shop this week. So like I said, we have some April monthly kits. So I'll go ahead and show you guys those. So we have the April monthly kit. This is the spring version for the Erin Condren, and it is just the 2 pages right here. And it's just a basic like spring theme. Like very simple. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. And then this one is my favorite. This is the Easter kit. You guys, I love the colors. I love the clip art. It's so pretty. And again, you just have your 2 sheets. You can choose between a checklist sidebar or a decorative sidebar. And this is just like, not a checklist really, because I guess you're not really checking it off, but this is just like a list that you can list on the side. And then you have the decorative sidebar. You also, every order is gonna get this little freebie thing, and it has your May calendar on here. It also has another box to cover up the dates because there was not enough room to put it in the 2 pages, and then it has the rest of the holidays, so you get that as well. So that's what that one looks like for the Easter kit, and then this one is for the spring one, and then you have your spring sidebars. Because the spring one didn't have clip art, I just used like a digital pattern, and it's really pretty. It's just like this water ombre kind of design, which I thought was super simple and pretty, and I'm all about simple in my planner, and I know a lot of people are, so I tried to kind of gear towards that. And if you wanted a little bit more something, then you could go with the Easter kit. Moving on to the Happy Planner, it's basically the same thing. You just have your 2 pages. This is the Easter one, and for this one I put all of the holidays on here, and then also this little box because I did have the room, because I don't do the boxes the same for the Happy Planner as they are for Erin Condren, so that's why. So if you order Happy Planner, you're not going to get that little freebie because it's already in here. And then you have your decorative sidebar or your checklist sidebar for that. Then you have your spring version. Again, it's just your 2 pages, and it's just really pretty, as well as your checklist sidebar or your decorative sidebar. So I do want to mention, and this is for both the Happy Planner monthly kits as well as, the Erin Condren kits. On the website only, you can choose your start date either between Sunday or Monday. This was really requested, so we do have a Monday start date, so it'll be like Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Saturday, and you can choose which one you want. I will say if you choose the Monday through Sunday version, you're going to want to add on the little date covers so that way your planner matches up with everything. These are an add-on. They're an additional fee because I know not everybody wants these, and especially if you get just the Sunday through Saturday, your planner is going to have the correct dates. But if you have like an undated Happy Planner, or you have, you want to start with the Monday through Sunday thing, then you would definitely need these. And like I said, they're just an extra add-on, but they're all in the same listing, but they're only on our website. So you can only get these on our website, and you can only choose the start dates on the website. On Etsy, they are just the kit and then the decorative or checklist sidebar. So I do want to mention that just in case there was any confusion, but I did add the different start dates. You can get them on the February ones and the March ones as well. I went back and changed that because I had that be something like a lot of people wanted, so I thought that I would go ahead and put that on the website. We also added April kits for the print impression weeks. So we have the 2 different options. We also have this for February and March, but I don't think I did a video on that whenever I added them. I think they were our only new release for December, so I didn't get around to filming a video and showing you guys, but we do have PP weeks on our website, and I believe I put these on Etsy as well. So yeah, but you get the same you know, same theme going on. It's just this little one-page kit, which is pretty cute. All right, guys, now to my favorite kit. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited about this Easter kit. And I do want to mention I did a couple changes on our kits, so I'll kind of talk about that briefly. But so of course you have your full boxes, and guys, I don't even think the camera is doing this justice right now because the lighting's really weird, but these colors are gorgeous. I wish that like it was translating better on camera because they are just so pretty. So those are the full boxes, and then you have your functional sheet. You have your headers and a bunch of labels and half boxes. Some of your habit trackers, bill due, currently reading stickers, some little ombre checklist, your date covers and date dots. And then you have your ombre checklist as well as this Monday through Sunday sidebar box. And then this is one of the changes. I did go ahead and go back in with 2 different types of washi. I missed our bow washi, and I know some people use this in the Happy Planner and it's a lot thinner at the bottom, so I figured this would be perfect if you just want to use one washi strip, or if you're in the Erin Condren and you want to double up. I thought that was perfect. I just really missed this, so I went ahead and added it back into our kits. Hopefully you guys like it and are excited about it. I don't know. And then this was a major change. I decided instead of making separate like print impression weeks kits, because basically they were the same as the Erin Condren, just the box sizes were different and there weren't as many stickers. I decided to add this as an add-on sheet. You guys know if you shop on our website, you can get this kit a la carte. Again, it's only a website thing, so if you purchase this on Etsy, you just get this kit, and there's not even a print impression weeks option on Etsy anymore, just because they're not selling over on Etsy. They are selling on our website, but I figured this was so much easier because you can literally like pick and choose what you guys want in your kit. So there is this PP Weeks add-on sheet, and it has the boxes for PP Weeks, the little washi, and then some extra labels, which I think is just perfect. But then if you guys just wanted this one, you could purchase this and have some decorative stuff and some labels, and it's just, you know, or if you just needed 2 pages, that way you're not like having all these leftover stickers. So I think that this is a really good option. I hope you guys like it better than the just separate PP Weeks. Like I said, they just weren't selling well on Etsy at all, so I took that off. I mean, they're still on Etsy as far as like the older kits, but going forward there won't be a print impression option on Etsy, just because I don't sell anything a la carte on Etsy. Again, it's just one of those things that it's, you know, fees and everything, is just easier to do it all on the website, which is why I highly encourage you checking out the website, because it's just, you know, there's a lot of things that you can do on the website that you can't do with Etsy. So definitely check that out. But that is the changes made to the full kit. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. And then the last new release that we have in the shop is the Hobonichi kit. So that's what this looks like. It's just a 3-page kit. Nothing has changed on it. But this is the Easter version, and I love it so much. I love the colors. I love everything about this clip art, you guys. Alright guys, so that is everything that's new in the shop this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you're excited about these stickers. I do have a coupon code that is good for the day this video goes live only. So Friday, the, what is today? The 18th? No, the 17th. So Friday the 17th, it's only available for that day. So I'm going to put it in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description box below if you guys want to check that out and save some money. Again, this is only on the website and it's only for today, Friday. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and that bell notification. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.